নমস্কার, দেখছেন টক টু বাংলা। আমি অভিষেক রয়েছে আপনাদের সাথে। এই মুহূর্তে যে খবর নিয়ে উপস্থিত হয়েছি, মহুয়া মৈত্র সংসদে গতকাল বলতে গিয়ে রীতিমতন ওম বিড়লার যে বিরুদ্ধে অবিশ্বাস প্রস্তাব আনা হয়েছে সেই প্রস্তাবের সপক্ষে বলতে গিয়ে তিনি রীতিমতন খুব গুরুত্বপূর্ণ একটা বক্তব্য টেনে আনেন এবং সেটা কিন্তু খুব যে প্রত্যেকজন সাংসদ সেই ধরনের একটা বক্তব্য রাখতে পেরেছেন তেমন বলা যায় না। তার কারণ তার যে ফান্ডামেন্টাল প্রশ্নটা ছিল সেটা হচ্ছে যে ওম বিড়লা যখন থাকবে না তখন সেই জায়গাটা সামলানোর কথা তো ডেপুটি স্পিকারের, কিন্তু মোদী সরকারের আমলে মোদী সরকার গত 7 বছর ধরে 2019 সাল পর্যন্ত ডেপুটি স্পিকার ছিলেন, কিন্তু তার পরবর্তীতে আর গত 7 বছর ধরে ডেপুটি স্পিকারের পদে সম্পূর্ণভাবে শূন্যতা রয়ে গিয়েছে এবং সেটাকে কোনোভাবেই ফিল আপ করার যে জায়গাটা সেটা কিন্তু এখনো পর্যন্ত দেখা যায়নি। তো সেই জন্যেই একদম সরাসরি এই মুহূর্তে যে এমটিনেসটা দেখা দিয়েছে, জগদম্বিকা পাল তিনি হয়তো চেয়ারে বসছেন এবং তার কাজকর্ম সামলাচ্ছেন ওম বিড়লার বিরুদ্ধে যখন অনাস্থা প্রস্তাব আনা হয়েছে, কিন্তু কেন ডেপুটি স্পিকারের মতন একটা গুরুত্বপূর্ণ পদ, যেটা সাংবিধানিক পদ, সংবিধানের কত নম্বর আর্টিকেল বলছে যে ডেপুটি স্পিকার থাকতে হবে সেটাও উল্লেখ করেন মহুয়া মৈত্র এবং তিনি সম্পূর্ণ তার পরবর্তীতে ব্যাখ্যা করেন যে কোন কোন জায়গাগুলোর ক্ষেত্রে এই স্পিকার ওম বিড়লা পক্ষপাতদুষ্ট আচরণ করেছেন। শুধু তাই নয়, সম্পূর্ণ অন্যায় করেছেন। তিনি ক্রিমিনাল কথাটা ইউজ করেন পর্যন্ত, সেটা পরবর্তীতে যদিও একদম সরাসরি সরিয়ে দেওয়া হয় যে লোকসভার যে ডায়েরি সেখান থেকে রেকর্ড সেখান থেকে, কিন্তু তার বক্তব্যটা অত্যন্ত বলিষ্ঠভাবে তিনি রেখেছেন এবং এর আগে 100 জন সাংসদকে একবারে তিনি যে সাসপেন্ড করেছিলেন সেখান থেকে শুরু করে এই যে বাজেট অধিবেশন তার বিরুদ্ধে যখন অনাস্থা প্রস্তাব আনা হলো, কোন কোন বিষয়ের ভিত্তিতে তার বিরুদ্ধে অনাস্থা প্রস্তাব আনা হয়েছে অত্যন্ত সঠিকভাবে বলেছেন তিনি। এবং ডেপুটি স্পিকার নেই কেন, স্পিকারের পদের পরবর্তীতে ডেপুটি স্পিকার থাকাটা সাংবিধানিক নিয়ম, কিন্তু নেই কেন সেটা সম্বন্ধে প্রশ্ন তুলেছেন মহুয়া মৈত্র। আপনারা শুনুন, বিচার করুন, আপনাদের মতামত কমেন্ট বক্সে কমেন্ট করুন।
Today what do we see? There is no deputy speaker. In the 17th and 18th Lok Sabhas for the past 7 years, the post of the deputy speaker has been kept vacant. Article 93 of our constitution very clearly says that the house of the people shall, the word shall is used, as soon as may be choose 2 members of the house to be respectively speaker and deputy speaker. If the post becomes vacant, immediately another one shall be elected. Then there's Article 95(2) of the Constitution. What does it say? It says during the absence of the Speaker from any sitting of the House of the deputies or the Deputy Speaker, if he is also absent, any other person who can be determined by the House. Today when the debate started, what did we see? The person, no disrespect to the current chairperson sitting there, but there was no consensus, there was no spirit of the House that was taken into accordance as to who is going to preside over the proceedings. The Speaker, the Honorable Speaker of the 18th Lok Sabha, has achieved many firsts. Unfortunately, all of them have been less than graceful benchmarks. He keeps talking about the vaunted garima of the House, but it has come to a point that the minute the Speaker comes into the House, garima leaves the House. That's where we are today. I am first going to analyze the Honorable Speaker's inglorious record on a macro level, and then I am going to dissect it on a micro level. So let's look at the first macro point. Suspensions under Rule 374A of the Lok Sabha Rules and Proceedings. Now, what did we have before? First, we had Rule 374, which required any suspension to go through a formal motion. 2001, Atalji's government, NDA government, you bring in 374A, which gives the Speaker, in case of a grave disorder, without moving a formal motion, he has the right of immediate suspension without any formal motion. And this rule, the way it has been abused by the current Speaker, is the very antithesis of democracy. It is all that democracy should not be. In December 2023, Birlaji ordered the largest mass suspension in the history of Indian Parliament, suspending 100 opposition MPs. This one episode alone accounted for over 40% of all Lok Sabha suspensions since 2004. In the last 20 years, in one day, he suspended 40% of the total. And why did he do this? What was our grave error? We wanted a statement from the government on the breach of the parliamentary security. Was this not a matter of national importance? You tell us. Let this be a fair and neutral debate. Now, while these MPs were suspended, Birlaji presided over the passage of 3 criminal amendment bills without any substantive discussion. I would say he is criminally complicit in throttling democracy. Criminally complicit in throttling democracy. But this incident was not a one-off for him. Between 2004 and between today, I've listened to all of you, Mr. Pal. We can't speak to you anymore.
The word
We have
criminally is
listened to
removed
you.
from the
Please
record.
expunge it.
The
Please
word
expunge
criminally
it.
is removed from
Please
the record.
expunge it, sir.
No,
Please
sir.
expunge. Suresh ji, please let
No,
me
sir.
say. Suresh ji, please
Sir, the
let me
word
speak,
criminally
sir.
is removed from the
Please
record.
remove it. Please remove it. It will make him no less a criminal. Please remove him. But this incident was this incident was not a one-off moment for the speaker. Between 2004 and today, 245 suspension actions were recorded in the Lok Sabha, and half of this total, 120 suspensions, were done by Birlaji alone. And that's not all. He's the only speaker who has suspended only opposition MPs. 100% of these 120, 112 in the 17th Lok Sabha, and 8 अरे आप बताना बंद कीजिए मार्शल साहब, वो चेयर पे बैठे हैं, आप नहीं, वो बैठे हैं चेयर पे, आप नहीं, आप बताना बंद कीजिए माइक पे. 120 suspensions have been done by Birla ji alone, and they were all Lok Sabha, they were all members of the opposition. Zero NDA. Let us now look at the numbers for previous speakers. The country has a right to know these statistics. In Somnath Chatterjee's time, 2004 to 2009, only 5 MPs were suspended. Never once Rule 374A used. 4 were suspended due to irregularities in MP lads, and 1 was suspended due to some impropriety on an MP tour. Somnath Chatterjee was a UPA nominee. He presided over turmoil in the House. Advani ji was LOP at that time, but he never suspended NDA MPs. He never throttled their voice. He was called headmaster because he used to always scold MPs. He even went so far as to say that you all are misbehaving so much, you should not be allowed a penny of the public paisa to be spent on you. But even then, he never suspended anyone. Then we come to Meera Kumarji. She was also an UPA nominee. She was Speaker 2009 to 14 when Sushma Swaraj ji was LOP.
Honorable MP,
she suspended.
once
Yes,
again, I would like to remind you
yes, ma'am, sir.
that any MP who suspended is not suspended by the Speaker. The House suspended.
I'm glad that you have been reminded of this by the Honourable Marshal, and I will take your point. And I will
There is a process, there is a procedure.
Yes, sir.
There is a process, there is a procedure.
All right, sir. He presided over it.
The process is followed.
Yes, sir. He presided over it, sir. I will change my terminology thanks to the intervention from the Honourable Marshal. Thank you very much. Perhaps we should add a 10th member to the panel. We should add a 10th member to the panel. But anyway, I'm joking, sir. I'm joking, sir.
No.
I'm joking, sir.
One second.
All right.
Please hold on. Please hold on. No, this cannot continue like this.
Yes, sir. All right.
This is not done.
Okay, sir.
This is
sir,
not done.
Sir, let me go. I apologize. Sir, let me go back.
Our previous sentence is removed
yes,
from the
sir.
record.
Okay, yes, sir.
No, one second. No, I fully agree. I fully agree with
please.
Mr. Bharat. I fully agree because the comments are against the chair.
Sir, very good. Please continue. That's fine.
Saugat Rai ji, please understand. These remarks are against the chair.
Sir, we are moving a no confidence against the chair. Sir, we are moving a no confidence against the chair. Obviously, the comments will be against the chair. Please let me finish, sir. Please let me, Suresh ji.
Yes, sir, Mr.
Suresh ji, please let me finish. Venugopal ji, please let me finish.
No, sir, please.
Venu
Don't
ji, let me
misinterpret.
finish.
Please do not
You are taking my
misinterpret.
time, Venu ji, please.
While she is supposed to talk on the
Venugopal ji,
resolution, she
please.
is now remarking on the chair.
Venugopal
This is
ji,
not
let
done.
me speak. Let me speak, Venugopal
she
ji.
is
It's
requesting
okay.
you now
It's
to
okay.
sit down.
It's okay, sir. Okay. So when Meena Kumarji was also a UPA nominee, she was Speaker 2009 to 14. Sushma Swaraj ji was LOP. She suspended a total of 45 MPs, but 70% of these were UPA, mostly Congress MPs from their own party, because they were protesting against the bifurcation of Andhra Pradesh. Only 30% were from other parties. Sumitra Mahajan ji, 2014 to 19, suspended 73 MPs during her tenure. Of them, 25 MPs were Congress, 33%. over the Lalit Modi issue. Remaining 67% were AIDMK MPs over the Kaveri issue and TDP MPs over the Andhra Pradesh special status issue.
madam, let me again remind you,
Yes, sir.
there is a process, proceedings.
Yes, sir.
Of
It's
the
a way
house.
of
It is the house
speaking,
that
sir.
decides.
She
It is the
presided
house
over,
that
sir.
decides.
Now, sir, you are just interrupting,
No,
sir. It is the presiding over the proceedings.
No,
The second macro
I will
point,
have
sir.
to interrupt you because
Okay.
you are not correcting the course.
Okay, sir. Yes, the second macro point. Arey Venugopal ji.
Sir, honorable MP has requested you not to interrupt her, sir. She has already
No,
requested.
no. The second macro point, sir. The decline in the number of bills being sent for scrutiny to parliamentary standing committees under the guardianship of the Speaker. Let me change my terminology. Parliamentary standing committees were formed in 1993 for what? To scrutinize bills. The 14th and 15th Lok Sabhas with the UPA governments in the place sent 60% and 71% of bills to the Parliamentary Standing Committee. What happened in 2014? 14 to 19? The 16th Lok Sabha, only 27% of bills were sent. What happened in the last Lok Sabha? 16% of bills were sent. The way it is going in this Lok Sabha, God knows what will happen. It will become single digit probably. Now let us look for a more detailed dissection. The office of the leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha was accorded statutory recognition under the Salary and Allowances Leaders of Opposition in Parliament Act 1977. It is equivalent to that of a cabinet minister in rank. Ram Subhag Singh was the first, Buxar Bihar was the first recognized LOP in the 4th Lok Sabha from the Congress O, which was the Kamraj Morarji Desai syndicate. That was the first time any party had won 10% of seats in the parliament. Now, the first statutory LOP was CM Stephen. He was MP from Idukki in Kerala. Since the post was given statutory recognition, there have been 12 LOPs. 3 times the term has been vacant. Of these 12, 6 were Congress, 5 were BJP, and 1 was Babu Jagjeevan Ram from the Janata Party. So it was been pretty evenly distributed. Each of the BJP LOPs, LK Advani ji, Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, Sushma Swaraj ji, has had more than their fair share of parliamentary time and spotlight in the correct spirit that the opposition owns the house.